Uh, so this is 2025 May June paper 1 2, and the question number is 35. The question is concerned with the chapter current electricity. It says that the diagram shows a cell of it resistance 1.0 R. So this thing is actually small r, connected to a variable resistor. So we have this variable resistor here. When the variable resistor has an initial resistance of 2.0 R, so the value of this thing is equal to 2.0 R. The current in the cell is I1. So let's make out an equation here. So when we have inter resistance is equal to 2R, the current is I1, and terminal PD is V1. So let's form equations for those things. So we have got I1 is equal to the total EMF of the source by the total resistance. Now the total resistance is this thing. This thing is 1.0 R, plus the other one is 2.0 R, plus it is 2.0 R, 2.0 R. So this ultimately gives us E by 3R. So the value of I1 is equal to E by 3R. Also we have got this terminal PD V1. So V1 is equal to I1 into the resistance at that time, which is 2R, into 2R. So this will be equal to I1 is E by 3R into this is 2R. So R and R goes. What remains with us is 2E by R. So these are the initial values of I1 and V1. Initial values of I1 and V1. Now later, the variable resistor is now adjusted to a new resistance of 4.0 R. So the outer resistor is 4.0 R. Now we have to find the new current in the cell and new terminal PD. So we have to find, let us say I2. This is I2 and this is V2. So let's do. Now this I2 should be equal to total EMF in the circuit divided by the total resistance, and the total R is 1.0 R, this thing 0 R, and the other is the new resistance, which is 4R. So it is 4.0 into R, and that's equal to E by 1 plus 4 is 5. It is E by 5R. So we have got I1 equal to this much, I2 this much. So if I take the ratio, I will have I2 is by I1. I1 should be equal to E by 5R divided E by 3R, which is here E by 3R. So this will be equal to so when I cancel those things, it will be equal to E goes, R goes, so it is 3 by 5, which is 0.6. So therefore our I2 is equal to 0.6 into I1. So if I go through the answers, if I search the answers, choice number C and D has got 0.6, other don't have. So these two cancel out and C and D remains. Now let's go for V2. So this V2 is equal to I2 into the resistance, which is 4R, So equal to I2 is equal to I2 is as we have got here, it was E by 5R, so it is E by 5R into 4R, and that's equal to 4E by 5. So V2 is equal to 4E by 5, and here it is by 5. So here what we have is, this is not R actually, this is 2E by 3. 3. So now V2 by V1 is equal to 4e by 5 divided 2e by 3. So this e and e goes, 2 2s are 4. So it is a 2 into 3 by 5 equal to 6 by 5, and this thing is equal to 1.20. 1.20. So now we will have this v1 is equal to 1.20 into, sorry, v2 is equal to 1.20 v1. And if I go through the choices, choice number D seems to be correct and the C is not correct. So choice number D is the correct answer.